Welcome to From Kitchen to C-Suite, the podcast that brings you the freshest insights and most compelling stories from the world of food service entrepreneurship. I'm your host, Don, and today we're diving into a trend that's not just changing how we eat, but how restaurants are doing business. In a rapidly evolving food service landscape, innovation is key. And while we've seen many shifts, one trend is really taking off: curated meal kits and retail. Imagine bringing the restaurant experience, the chef's touch, and the exquisite flavors you love right into your own home. That's exactly what restaurants are doing, moving beyond dine-in and takeout to offer high-quality, perfectly portioned meal kits and retail products that extend their brand directly to your kitchen. This isn't just about convenience. It's about connection, quality, and a new revenue stream for the restaurant industry. We'll explore how establishments, from Michelin-starred restaurants to beloved local eateries, are mastering the art of bringing restaurant quality home. Stay tuned as we uncover the strategies, challenges, and incredible opportunities this trend presents for both chefs and consumers alike. In an evolving culinary landscape, restaurants are increasingly identifying innovative avenues to engage with consumers beyond the confines of their traditional dining establishments. A burgeoning trend involves eateries offering curated meal kits, individual restaurant-quality ingredients, and signature sauces directly to consumers, thereby enabling them to replicate sophisticated flavors within their own kitchens. This initiative, frequently referred to as curated meal kits and retail, is transforming home dining and generating significant new revenue streams for the restaurant industry, adapting to changing consumer preferences and lifestyles. The underlying concept is both straightforward and impactful. Restaurants, renowned for their culinary expertise, meticulous attention to detail, and procurement of premium, often exclusive, products, are now leveraging their established supply chains and proprietary recipes. They use these assets to furnish consumers with the necessary components for an elevated, restaurant-quality home cooking experience. This direct-to-consumer model effectively addresses a growing demand for both convenience and culinary adventure, without compromising on the quality or distinctive taste profiles that patrons have come to expect from their favorite eateries. It bridges the gap between the desire for gourmet meals and the practicalities of a busy home life. The irresistible appeal of curated meal kits from restaurants. Meal kits sourced directly from restaurants surpass generic supermarket offerings in several key aspects, providing a truly unique value proposition. They frequently feature signature dishes. These kits offer comprehensive step-by-step instructions, often meticulously developed by the restaurant's head chefs, accompanied by pre-portioned, high-quality ingredients for a restaurant's most esteemed and beloved dishes. This allows home cooks to recreate iconic meals with precision and confidence, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. Gourmet ingredients. Consumers gain exclusive access to high-quality, often locally sourced, artisanal, or specialized ingredients that may be challenging, if not impossible, for the average consumer to procure through conventional retail channels. This elevates the home cooking experience, introducing new textures and flavors. Expert guidance. The included recipes frequently incorporate professional tips, nuanced techniques, and even plating suggestions directly from the restaurant's seasoned chefs. This provides an invaluable educational dimension to home cooking, empowering individuals to enhance their culinary skills and confidence, moving beyond basic recipe execution. Expanding retail offerings beyond the kit. Beyond comprehensive meal kits, numerous restaurants are recognizing the inherent and often untapped value in retailing individual components that define their distinctive flavor profiles. This strategic expansion encompasses a variety of products, allowing consumers to integrate restaurant-quality elements into their everyday cooking. Signature sauces and dressings. Bottled renditions of popular house-made sauces, marinades, and salad dressings allow consumers to effortlessly elevate simple meals with complex and familiar flavors from their favorite restaurants. This product category often sees high demand due to its convenience and versatility. Specialty spices and blends, proprietary spice mixtures, and unique seasoning blends, carefully crafted by chefs, are designed to enhance and transform everyday cooking. These offer a convenient way for home cooks to experiment with new flavor combinations and infuse their dishes with professional-grade taste. Premium pantry items. This category includes high-quality olive oils, aged vinegars, freshly baked artisanal breads, house-made pasta, and even select cuts of ethically sourced meat or fresh seasonal produce acquired directly from the restaurant's trusted network of local and specialized suppliers. These items allow consumers to build a gourmet pantry at home. Reciprocal advantages. Benefits for both parties. The curated meal kits and retail model presents significant and reciprocal advantages, creating a win-win scenario for both discerning consumers and innovative restaurants. For consumers, unparalleled convenience. Consumers gain the ability to effortlessly enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home without the complexities, time commitment, and decision fatigue associated with extensive grocery shopping, intricate meal planning, or lengthy recipe preparation. It's fine dining on their schedule, culinary exploration and skill development. These offerings provide an exciting opportunity to discover novel flavors, experiment with new ingredients, and learn advanced culinary techniques, fostering a deeper appreciation for the art of cooking. Enhanced cost-effectiveness. While delivering a premium culinary experience, these options are often significantly more economically advantageous than frequently dining out at comparable restaurants, offering luxury without the premium price tag. Direct support for local businesses. By purchasing meal kits and retail items, consumers directly support their preferred local restaurants, contributing to their sustainability and helping them thrive in a competitive market. For restaurants, diversified and robust revenue streams. This model allows restaurants to tap into the expanding home cooking market, creating entirely new and stable revenue channels that complement their traditional dine-in services and mitigate reliance solely on fluctuating dine-in demand. Strategic brand extension and visibility. Retailing products broadens the restaurant's brand presence and recognition beyond the physical establishment, extending its reach into consumers' homes and daily lives, fostering a stronger emotional connection. Increased customer loyalty and engagement. By enabling patrons to more frequently indulge in their favorite flavors at home, restaurants foster a deeper and more consistent engagement with their customer base, reinforcing loyalty and creating brand advocates. Optimized and efficient inventory management. This model facilitates the optimal utilization of existing food supplies, raw ingredients, and kitchen staff, helping to reduce waste, improve procurement efficiency, and enhance overall operational profitability. The future trajectory of restaurant retail. The trajectory of restaurant retail is exceptionally promising, with substantial potential for continued innovation and growth. Anticipated developments in this dynamic sector include sophisticated subscription services. Expect to see the widespread adoption of flexible and customizable subscription services, offering regular deliveries of curated meal kits or specialized ingredient bundles tailored to individual preferences and dietary needs. Strategic collaborations and partnerships. Future innovations will likely involve exciting collaborations between restaurants and local producers, artisanal food companies, or even other complementary businesses, leading to the creation of exclusive and highly sought-after retail items. Enhanced digital platforms and seamless logistics. Continuous improvements in online ordering platforms, user interfaces, and sophisticated delivery mechanisms will streamline the process for consumers to access and receive retail products, making the experience even more convenient and reliable. As the distinctions between dining out and dining in progressively diminish, curated meal kits and retail are positioned to become an integral and indispensable component of the modern culinary landscape. This innovative approach empowers individuals to seamlessly infuse a touch of restaurant artistry, gourmet quality, and professional culinary expertise directly into their homes, transforming everyday meals into extraordinary experiences. As we bring another insightful episode of From Kitchen to C-Suite to a close, we want to extend our deepest gratitude to our listeners for joining us on this journey of professional growth and culinary entrepreneurship. We hope the stories and strategies shared today have inspired and equipped you for your own endeavors, whether you're navigating the complexities of the kitchen or aiming for the corner office. This podcast is made possible by our incredible sponsors. A huge thank you to HRB Universal, who continue to support our mission of empowering professionals in the culinary and hospitality sectors. Their commitment to excellence and comprehensive resources is invaluable to our community. We also want to express our appreciation for the Plate and Pour Collective Equity Partner Program, an initiative that truly embodies the spirit of collaboration and shared success in the food and beverage industry. Their vision helps foster a more equitable and thriving landscape for entrepreneurs. Remember, the path from the kitchen to the C-suite is often paved with dedication, innovation, and a strong support system. We encourage you to explore the resources offered by our sponsors and to continue connecting with us for more engaging discussions. Join us next time on From Kitchen to C-Suite as we delve into another captivating topic designed to elevate your career and ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Until then, keep cooking up success.